Hello, everyone. Today is a fun day with Pippo Piggy and his family. Let's see what fun game they play today.
Mommy, can we play a game on the computer?
Sorry, Pippo. Mommy has some work to do today. Why don't you play in your room? What about your marble run? You haven't played with it for a long time.
Pippo smiles. The marble run. Pippo feels a little bored.
Gino feels bored too.
Ready, steady, go!
The marble rolls down, twisty and turny, all the way to the bottom.
Soon, their friend Ruby Bunny comes to play. They add more pieces. A wiggly piece. A spinny wheel.
What's all that sound?
It's the biggest marble run ever!
Papa Piggy helps make it even bigger.
Oh my, it's very loud in here.
The room becomes very noisy. This is a hospital. Hospitals must be clean and tidy.
Everyone tidies up. They are very happy.
And that was a lovely day.